Hello and welcome everyone in the training Agile with Scrum using Jira. As you would have already learned about Agile ways of working, and there are various frameworks, methodologies and approaches within Agile. And one of the most popular one is Scrum. If you already know about Scrum and if you want to go back and implement Scrum in your project, I'm sure you are looking for some tool which will make your life much more easier while implementing the Scrum framework, and most importantly, to collaborate effectively, especially if your team is highly distributed. This training focuses on creating Jira epics, stories, creating the product roadmap, and most importantly, show the interdependencies between the different epics on your roadmap. In this training, you're going to get a hands-on experience of actually creating those stories, creating epics and roadmap, the different Kanban boards, and another important tool that we'll also be covering as a part of this training is story maps. This is a great tool to collaborate, especially if your team is distributed or even if you're working out of the same location. But if you're working in a virtual environment, this tool gives you a great opportunity to interact within the team as well as with business or with your customers. This training actually focuses on giving you hands-on experience. So there are 3 different assignments that will be given to you, and each of those assignments have keys in it as well in terms of how do we really solve that assignment on Jira. A step-by-step guidance is given to you to create your roadmaps, create your stories, create your epics, and that actually helps you in practicing the learning quickly and understanding how to really use the tool more effectively. And this tool actually focuses on improving the collaboration between the teams as well as within the team. As part of this training, we are also going to cover some of the other aspects, the end-to-end life cycle of Scrum. So right from creating the story through to doing the retrospectives, where to capture the retrospective actions, where to capture the retrospective discussion. How can you also link your retrospective discussions by creating a conference page and link it to Jira sprint, which is ending. So creating that sprint, creating your release plan, and most importantly, if you want to create some sort of a dashboard to be able to communicate the progress of your project or a program, you'll be able to also learn how to create those dashboards and how to create a pull communication so that your stakeholders will understand the real-time progress of your project. And all this you'll be able to do yourself by undertaking the different assignments. Now we have given assignments along with the key, which contains the step-by-step way to create the epics and stories and roadmap and story maps. You can practice yourself by using Jira tool. Even if you don't have a Jira tool, you'll be able to create a free account by using a Jira tool and you'll be able to practice yourself. So if you are somebody who is looking for using a tool to implement Agile ways of working, especially around Scrum or any of the Agile frameworks, and if you want to learn how does Jira works, how to implement it using some tool, I think this is the best course you can sign up to. And what's more, we will also be running some of the focused sessions by inviting people who have enrolled for this particular course. So I look forward to you enrolling for this course and interacting with you all as part of this program. Thank you.